Prime Minister Shahid Khaqan Abbasi to inaugurate Golan Gol hydropower project in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa today. Prime Minister Shahid Khaqan Abbasi will inaugurate Golan Gol hydropower project at District Chitral, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa today. The project has been constructed on Golan Gol, a tributary of River Mustaj near Chitral. The first unit of the project can generate up to 36 megawatts and is exclusively meant to provide electricity to Chitral town and adjacent areas. Multan Metro Bus Case. NAB likely to summon Chief Minister Punjab after hearing 14 officers out. National Accountability Bureau has decided to summon Chief Minister Shehbaz Sharif in a case of alleged irregularities in Multan's Metro Bus project, it is learned. The Chief Minister, say sources, will be asked to explain his position after 4 senior functionaries appear before the NAB authorities in Multan within the next few days. FIA's Interpol wing issues blue notice to trace Rao Anwar. As the efforts by law enforcement agencies to arrest former Malir SSP Rao Anwar have so far proved to be unproductive, the Federal Investigation Agency's Interpol wing has issued blue notice to trace his location and activities, requesting the member countries for their assistance in apprehending the absconder. According to sources, the blue notices issued by Interpol had been sent to Qatar, Iran, the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and European countries, seeking their assistance in identifying the former SSP and his location. Tahmeena Janjua arrives in Kabul for Pak-Afghan Joint Working Groups. The first meeting of Pakistan-Afghanistan Joint Working Groups is being held in Kabul today. Foreign Secretary Tahmeena Janjua will lead the Pakistani delegation. Pakistan had proposed 5 joint working groups which focus on ensuring comprehensive engagement for countering terrorism, intelligence sharing, military, economy, trade and transit interaction, refugee repatriation and connectivity. Suspect who helped the main accused flee, arrested in Asma murder case, says Kohat police. A suspect in the Asma murder case who allegedly aided the prime suspect in fleeing the country was arrested on Saturday, the Kohat police said. Asma, a third-year student at a medical college in Abbottabad, was murdered last week after she refused to marry Mujahid, police said. She was rushed to the hospital after being shot 3 times, where she identified Mujahid and Sadiqullah as her assailants in a statement given to police. Cleared Nasheed vows to challenge Maldives president in polls. The exiled former leader of the Maldives vowed on Friday to run for president after the Supreme Court quashed his conviction, dealing a major blow to the ruling regime. Mohammed Nasheed, the country's first democratically elected president, has urged the government to respect the top court's shock decision to overturn the convictions of 9 dissidents and order the release of those serving jail sentences. White House declassifies partisan memo on Russia probe. The White House on Friday declassified a partisan and bitterly disputed memo on the Russia investigation, clearing the way for House Republicans to release allegations of what they say is FBI misconduct. The move came over the fierce objections of the FBI and Justice Department, which have said the document prepared by Republicans on the House Intelligence Committee is inaccurate and missing critical context. British Prime Minister Theresa May discusses trade barriers with Chinese President Xi Jinping. British Prime Minister Theresa May said on Friday she discussed with Chinese President Xi Jinping the importance of removing barriers to commerce, especially for British food, drink and financial services, as the 2 countries move toward a future trading arrangement for after the United Kingdom leaves the European Union. Sports. Pakistan Cricket Board Chairman Najam Sethi asked to ensure presence in next Senate body meeting. Expressing its disappointment over the absence of Pakistan Cricket Board Chairman Najam Sethi in the meeting on Friday, the Senate Special Committee, which has been assigned to examine the overall working of sports federations in the country, has directed the PCP chief to ensure his presence next time. The Special Committee meeting, chaired by Senator Dr. Ashok Kumar, was held here at the Old Papes Hall of Parliament Lodges. In the meeting, PCB Chief Operating Officer Subhan Ahmed and advisor to Sethi, Shakil Sheikh, briefed the committee on the deployment of contractual employees in the board. Weather forecast for next 24 hours. Mainly cold and dry weather is expected in most parts of the country.
Please subscribe to Hums Up TV and hit the notification icon on the screen to get the latest updates of our channel. Thank you for watching Hums Up TV.